Hi, this is a little practice video, a short one, just to see if I can upload it and for you to just give it a try. Also to say hello, hope all is well with you. So let's just start straight away. So be in Tadasana, spread the soles of your feet, stretch your arms down by your side and lift the sides of the trunk up. Look straight ahead at eye level and just look at the screen for a little reminder, but you can just follow my voice instructions. Padanguliasana, interlace your fingers, spread your palms forward. Keep spreading the soles of the feet as you spread the palms of your hands. Stretch into the heels of your hands and suck the fingers towards you. Squeeze the upper arms in as you stretch up. Keep your weight on your heels. Press the fronts of your thighs back. Lengthen your waist up. Press your shoulder blades into your body as you press your arms back. Keep lifting and opening up the armpits as you draw the shoulder muscles down. Grow tall. Keeping this lift in your chest, bring your arms down, turn your palms to face you, and then change the interlace in the fingers so the other index finger is on the top. And then again, spread your palms, keep your weight back on your heels, frontal thighs press back. Press your bottom shoulder blade in and down, and lift your armpits up. Shoulder muscles drawing down as you stretch the thumb side of your hand up to the ceiling. Keep your jaw relaxed, tongue relaxed, eyes soft. And bring your arms down back to Tadasana. So let's go for Trikonasana, triangle posture. If you're feeling wobbly or you're a bit stiffer, do feel free to put a chair there for your hand, or a foot or a brick is a good option for accessing the shoulder blades, but I don't have any blocks with me here. So bring your hands into your chest, bend your knees, step or jump your legs apart. Straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Again, stay back on your heels so the front thighs press back. And as you press the front thighs back, firm the outer buttocks and get a lift in the front of the pelvis. Turn your left foot in, your right leg out. Just have a quick glance, check the heel of that right foot is in line with the arch of the other foot. Rotate that right thigh out. And this is a new one. Can you keep the outer thigh of this back leg drawing back? Because otherwise it can hang forwards. So see if you can press it back whilst maintaining the outward rotation on that leg. And extend to the side. And then again, feel your whole body, spread the soles of the feet. Firm the leg muscles, so you're rotating this right thigh out, but you're also drawing this outer thigh of this left leg back so that you can lift the hip, so you can turn the waist, so you can turn the chest. And then when you press the shoulder blades in, that gives you access to turn the head. Exhale, look forward, firm your legs and buttocks, come up, and the other side. So turn your right foot in a little, bring your left heel in and your toes out, So again, get that rotation on that left leg, right from the very top. We were working on that last week. That thigh, really turn it out right from the very top, which accesses that outer buttock. And then pressing this right thigh back, especially also get this sense of this outer thigh going back so that the leg doesn't hang forward. Press it back. Inhale. Extend to the side. Then again, sort of bring your awareness to your body as a whole, so feeling the feet, the legs, the outer buttock gripping in, the length in the sides of the trunk, the reach in the arms. And then go for more specific refinements on where you need a bit more help, or possibly get that outward rotation on that left leg a bit more. So that left buttock comes into you. Press the right thigh back. Turn the waist, turn the chest, press the shoulder blades in. Look up if that's comfortable for you. And then again, continue that process. So feeling the body as a whole, and then adjusting any area which you feel is starting to loosen. Like tightening the sails, making sure that there's wind blowing into the sails evenly. Awareness in each part of the body, and then looking forwards, firming the legs, buttocks. Bring your body up, and then come back to Tadasana. Let's go for Pajva Konasana. So quite a few of you will probably need a brick for that right hand. But do try and get the body to go down towards the leg, but keeping the openness in the chest. Right leg in, left leg out. Sorry, left leg in, right leg out. And get that rotation in this right thigh. But also again, this outer thigh presses back. Make a square, regain those actions, thigh rotating out, this thigh pressing back, and then lay your body down on your leg, but keep this outer rotation, this lift in the hip, this lift in the waist, this turn of the chest. So really get that revolving of the chest. So don't take the hand too far down towards the floor if your chest is dropping too much. There needs to be this turn, which should feel good. Make sure that coccyx is moving into the body, get the turn of the trunk, and then possibly extend the arm over the heel. And then again, feel your body as a whole. So just checking each and every part and seeing if there's some awareness there, and also checking to feel whether they're in the posture. Learn to breathe here without straining. And then with a firmness in your legs and buttocks, come up. And let's go to the other side. So right leg in, left heel in, toes out. Get that rotation in the thigh, but again get that outer thigh to press back. The whole thigh presses back, but this outer thigh does draw back so that it doesn't hang forward. Exhale, make a square. Then feel your feet, regain those actions in the legs. Lay your body down towards your leg, but keep this lift, keep this rotation. Coccyx in, sacrum in, shoulder blades in, and rotate the trunk. Lift that left ear slightly so the head doesn't drop. chin away from the chest, be long in your trunk. And learn to breathe here. And with a firmness in your legs, buttocks, inhale, come up. Tadasana. Now Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog posture. So come to the end of your mat. Step back. So spread your palms, spread the balls of your feet, and then from here press those legs back. So you're stretching the heels back, but you're stretching the toes forward. And if you start to get that work in the feet, then the legs begin to follow. So heels back, toes forward, and then the shins press back, knees back, inner and outer, except for Mildred. The knees do go back, but don't strain there. Make sure the calves are still coming forward. Thighs back, inner groins back, outer thighs back, and then the heels start to be able to go more towards the floor as you stretch the backs of your thighs to the ceiling. And then check that you're on the inner edge of your hands, the thumb and index finger. Rotate those upper arms outwards and press the shoulder blades in and release your head completely. And then be here in the posture, feeling your body as a whole, feeling each and every part playing its role. Head quiet, body loud. And then bend your knees to come down. So let's go for Chatushpadasana now. So lie down. Let's get the shoulders to wake up a little bit. So let's interlace the fingers and just tuck your shoulders under and sit on your hands. So tuck the shoulders under and then just sit down on your hands. So your feet are hip width apart, your thighs are parallel, your buttock flesh is towards your feet, but you've kind of trapped those shoulders underneath you and they're stuck on the sticky mat. They're such a great invention, they make things quite a lot easier. And lengthen your neck away from your shoulders as you draw your shoulders away from your neck. It should feel good. But also get that feeling of these shoulder bones going down to the floor. And then change the interlace again. Get those shoulders to tuck right under you. So the shoulders are prepared. So let's now go up into the posture. So check that your toes are pointing inwards, not turning outwards. That keeps the thighs parallel and the lower back broad. So again, the feet play an important part in the effect further up in the body. Exhale, abdomen soft, and then firm the buttocks, backs of the thighs, lift up. Again, perhaps take the heels out a little bit more to gather a bit more strength in the legs, but the thighs roll in, and then lift up. Buttocks up, buttocks up, buttocks up. Backs of the thighs up. Get those shoulders to tuck under and press those arms down to lift the armpits. Press the feet down to lift the buttocks. Keep the throat soft, abdomen long and soft. Feel your abdomen deflating and spreading as you firm the back of your body maximum. Then press your shins towards your face as you draw your shoulder muscles towards your feet. And then lengthen to come down, change the interlace, rest a bit longer if you need to, otherwise again go up. I'm going to try and make myself a little bit shorter, so bring my feet a bit closer to my hips So initially that means my knees are poking beyond my feet a bit, but then I need to press the shins towards the face so that the shins become more upright and the pelvis gets a bigger opening. Now the backs of my thighs are screaming, but I'm just going to soften. And then release the hands and lengthen the back down to the floor. Exhale to soften. Always keep the knees bent initially. Then Supta Baddha Konasana. So bring the soles of your feet together. Knees wide. And then extend your arms along the floor behind you. If your shoulders are stiff, you can put your hands up on a bolster or on a height. Relax here. And then exhale, bring your arms down by your side and bring your knees together. And then just bring your right knee into your chest. Swap it for your left. And then repeat. And so now we can go into Shavasana. Again, I'm keeping it short just to see if I can upload this for you. So lie down now. Extending the legs, rolling the arms out. And once again, feeling your body as a whole. Let each and every part of your body be supported by the ground. So the back of the body rests down to the ground and the front of the body softens towards the back of the body. Relax your jaw, tongue, throat. Allow your eyes to rest far away from your eyelids. And breathe here, feeling life flowing through you, connecting to all of life that's here around the world. Feeling, breathing, being. So stay here as long as you want, and that's all from me for now.